Next of Karnataka September 2020 question paper, we have going to solve the second main. On the ninth question, in the two linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then write the number of solutions this pair of questions have. This type of question is called as unique solution, in which the x and y value are same, so that they are called as unequal solution. When they are giving like this type of question, when a1 is not equal to b2, then the x and y value will be equal, so that they have, the answer must be they have unequal solution. Next we have the question number 10. If cos theta is equal to 24 by 25, then write the value of secant theta. Then the cos theta is inverse of 1 by secant theta. If you don't know this, then cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Then secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Then secant theta is equal to 25 by 24. This is the answer. In the question number 11, in the figure O is the center of a circle, then AC is diameter, then ACB is equal to ACB is equal to 50 degree, then the measure of BAC, angle BAC, then they are asking us the angle of this. So according to circle theorem, so that they are saying at the radius the angle one of the angle is equal to 90 degree, so that we can write angle ACB plus angle ABC plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 50 degree plus angle B we have to find out, plus the one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. Then sum of these angles are found and half of in the semicircle side. When the radius is found at the half of the semicircle side, it is equal to 180 degree. So that 90 degree plus 50 degree, it is equal to 140 degree, plus angle of ABC is equal to 180 degree. Then angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. Then angle ABC is equal to 40 degree. Then we will write angle for ABC is equal to 40 degree. Then angle A is approximately we have considered as 90 degree. Write the formula to find total surface area of right circular cone whose circular base radius r and slant height h. This is just a direct question. Just we have to write the formula of right circular cone of total surface area. Just is pi r plus L. Then just citizen we have to write direct formula. There is no explanation for this. We have to write direct pi r and into r plus L in bracket. Then 13th question, find the HCF of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number. First we have to know what is prime number and what is composite number. The prime number which has exactly two factors, that is it can divided only by the number itself and by 1. Only by 1 and itself. Same way, when the composite number, what is composite number? The number which is divided by 1 and divided by the least by other integer numbers. We do not consider number 0. This is called composite numbers. But it is divided by 1 and by other numbers. This is called composite number. Same way, the smallest prime number is 2, which is divided only by 1 and 2. Same way, when you consider composite number, smallest composite number is 4, which is when we are getting 2 and 1. Just in this table set goes, so that we are taking 2 and 1. Then the answer is smallest. What are the factors of this? Then when you take 2 has the prime number and 4 has the smallest composite number, then you have to take HCF of this. Then HCF 4 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1, then 2. Then HCF of this composite number is 2. We have to write down this. When you don't write this, they will cut us marks. Then if P of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x plus 6, find the value of P of 1. They have given the question as P of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. Then in the place of x we have to substitute 1. 1 of x whole cube plus 3, 1 square minus 11x plus 1 is equal to 6. Then 2 into 1 is 1 plus 3, 1 minus 11 plus 6. Then 2 plus 3 minus 11 plus 6. 5 minus 11 plus 6. Then answer 5, 6 plus 5, 11. Then answer is 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. If one root of the equation x plus 4, x plus 3 is equal to 0 is minus 4, then write the root of the equation. X plus 4, they are saying x plus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 3. They have given one equation, one of the root, then we have to write a x is equal to minus 3. This is the other root of the equation. Next we have sine square a. 16th question. If the sine square a is equal to 0, then find the value of cos a. Sine square a is equal to 0. They are saying us to find out the cos a value. So that we are having formula, that also direct formula. Since sine square a plus or cos square a is equal to 1, then we have cos square a 1 minus sine square a. Then cos a, just put the square as root of 1 minus sine square a. Then they have given cos a. Cos a is equal to 1 minus sine square a, 1 minus root 1 minus sine square value is 0, 1 minus cos of root 1 is 1. Then cos of a value is 1. Just I'll do it once more for you. The 60th question, sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Then just they're asking us to find out the cos value, so that whatever finding value is there, we have to keep it on aside. Remaining we have to send towards the right side. 1 minus sine square a. Then cos a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. Then cos a root of 1 minus sine square a value is sine square value they have given in question, it is 0, so that 1 minus 0, cos of a root 1. Then root 1 is just cos a 1. Then 60th question, cos a 1. Then they have given third main, answer the following question, which is now considered of 2 marks. Just now we have solved first main as 1 mark, second main as 1 mark. Now we are going to solve the 2 marks questions. The 17th question, we solve the following pair of the linear equation. They are going to solve the following linear equation. The question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. In this question we have to find out the value of x and y. Value of in this question we have to find the value of x and y. The 17th question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. In this linear equation, I will write it down separately. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. In this we have to change the signs of the question, because when the 2x and 2x get cancelled, when you put the signature as differently, we have to change the signs. When there is a plus, we have to put minus. When there is a minus, we will put plus. When there is a minus, we will put a plus. Then 2x gets cancelled. Then 3y plus 4y, it becomes 7y. Then minus 24, it becomes plus 24. Then 11 plus 24 is 35. Then y is equal to 35 by 7. The y answer, y is equals to 5. Now we have got the value of y. Next we have only want value of x. So that what we will do? We will take the y value. Then we substitute in any one of the equation. We can substitute in equation 1 or 2. Any of the one of the equation. Just I will show the two equation. How do you get the answers? Let's see. that it comes same or what different. 2x plus 3, y is in the place of y we'll put 5, then 2x plus 3 5 is a 15 equal to 11. 2x equal to 11 minus 15, then 2x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 2. In equation 1 we have got the answer as minus 1. Then we will take equation 2, minus 24. Just in exam any one of the equation will solve, that's more than enough. Then 2x minus 4